Hello, friends. Welcome back in our class. In this class, we are studying about we are studying and we are learning about school management software. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about that the procedure of account creation, account group, what's the need of account. If we are talking about any kind of school, there is a stationery cost, benches cost, board cost, like each and every detail you need to mention here, through which you will get your financial record for a particular session. So you need to enter account details also. Like I'm just giving you the rough example of how to create a bank account detail. So for that purpose, you need to click on masters and then click on account and then click on new button. And after that, suppose I'm just creating a random bank account, Canara Bank. Okay, print as this form. This bank comes under in a bank account, and the balance of, if you have any kind of balance, you can add this balance here, and then all detail you need to mention here. The state I'm writing like this, and then click on save button. I'll show you that how I just created the bank account, bank here. And you can check the detail by clicking on search button. I'm just clicking on search button and just writing the account number and click on search button. You'll see that this account is created here. And if you want to create like group, there is a fixed group here, and if you want to create new group, then you can create with the help of this option, account group. I just need to create payment to here, and this group comes under in bank account. And you just need to click on save button. I'm just closing this option, and I'll show you that payment to is available in this option, in the group option. I'll show you payment to. Now you can see that payment to is available here. And if you want to use this option according to if you want to use this option, you can use accordingly your requirement. So this is all about account creation and accounts group. In next video, we'll discuss about these options like fees, fees plan, route, everything regarding this. In next video we'll discuss. Till then, just complete your topic, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can deal with me. Thank you.